Hello student, today our next video of standard 8 mathematics square and square root is the topic which we are reading. In the previous class we have already started. We have learned three method, column method and diagonal method to find the square of a given number. We have already completed to find the square root of a given number by using prime factorization method. We have learned how to find the digit which is needed to multiply to get perfect square, and we have already completed finding a digit to divide to get perfect square. Now next topic, that is by division method. We will find the square root of a given number. Suppose that one number is given root 3. We have to find the value of root 3 by using division method. Before that, finding root 3, we will get some bigger number and we will find the number is 15625. 15625. We have to find using division method. 15625. Now student, first of all our target is to, this is not a decimal number, it's normal number given, whole number it is. Okay, we will make the pair from left means right hand side and from forward and left hand side. Two pair we will make. And we have found that finally it is single. Now it is most important thing how to do division. Here is only 1. We will write here as digit which is equal to 1 when multiplied with 1. 1 into 1 it will be 1. And what we will write here, we will add also. Means we have to add also. We will get 2 here. And it will be subtracted. Now from upper each pair will be come down. 56. What will come down? 56. Now 56. Here if you write 1 after 2, it will become 21 into 1. What you write here? That much time you have to multiply. If you write 1, you have to multiply it with 1. 21 into 1, 21. If we write 2, then here also we write 2, and 22 into 2 it will be 44. That will be 12, and what we have written, that we have to find the sum also, and upward to it will come 25. It will now become 1225. Now we will search here any number which will make the number divisible with the given number. If we write 1, then it will be 241 into 1, 242 into 2, 243 into 3, 244 into 4. We have found that it will be 245 into 5, it will be 1225. And finally we have got our result, that is the given number 15625 is equal to 125. Means it is the square root of 15,625 is 125. Now this is the one. How we have done? Only remember this. These are the number of 5 digit odd number, that is. We have started from odd number, then we go and learn out even number. Two pair we will make. First is alone. 1 is only. 1 square is only 1. So we have written 1, 1 and 1. Then after it become 2. 2 into 2 it will be 44. Then 2, 4, 5 into 5 it will be 1225. Suppose that our number is 8281. 8281. Suppose that 8281. Same thing we have to do. Two pair we will make. No any single. It is of even number 981. 181. 181 means 1 we write. Then it will be clear. Means very easy, very simple. What we have got, number 8281. 8281. We will make pair from right to left. Two pair we will make, 2 digit pair, 2 and 2. 82, 81. 9 into 9, 81, 181. 9, 9, 18. 1 you will get 181 into 1, 181. 181 into 1 you will get 181. That is the number. That is the number. Okay. Finally we have got 8281. The square root of 1891 means square of 91 is 8281. You will write square root of 8281 is 91. The square root of 8281 is 91. More one digit we will look. So we have looked one odd number, one odd number of digit, not odd number. Okay, this is odd number. That is also odd number. This is even number of digit. Number of digit is 4. So even number of digit. Now one more problem. 60025. 60025. You look here. 60025. Same thing, two digit pair we will make. Finally it is single. And single 6. The square of 2. The square of 2 is 4. So 3 is 9. So 9 is more, 6. 4 is less. So we will write here 2, 2. That you get 4. Now 2, 0, 0. You will add 2, you will get 4. You will get 4. 4 into 4. That will be 44. That will be 176. 44 into 4, 176. 44 into 4, 176. That will be 4. 4, 8 you will get. You will write 2, 4. Minus 2, then you get 2, 4 and upper to come 2, 5. Then after 5 you write 5, 2, 4, 2, 5. Finally it will be divisible, means here subtract and you get the number 6025, the square root of 245, the square root of 245. Okay student, now more example we will look. Next video we will see the finding the square root of a number, decimal number. Okay. Today only in general number we will look. More one example we look. Suppose that it is given 21025. 21025, that is also odd number of digits. When you will start making pair, you will get this type of number. Now 1 get and then you get 2. 1 0 will come down, pair will be always taken down. 4. 24 into 4 it is 96 happening. So 24 we will write here 4 and 4. And then after you get 1 4 2 5, that 28. Then you write here 5. 285 into 5, that will be 1425. That is the number you have got today. Okay, that is the number. Now suppose that what we have done, same process we have applied and same rule we have done here. Okay, now more one question. Next question we will write 6400. Suppose that 6400, we know that is the square of 80, but we will find according to the rule. Pair we will make 2 2. All of you make the pair of 2 2. Then 8 into 8, it is 64. But now it will become down. You will write 0 0, but it is not divisible, so write 0 and 0. Finally, that is the 80, our answer. 80 is the answer. Okay, 80 is the answer. So in the next class we will learn how to find the square root by division method of a number, means decimal number. Now you will get some assignment.